Podcasting has rapidly gained popularity as a digital media platform. People listen to podcasts to gain knowledge in their areas of interest, discover entertaining content, and connect with their favorite speakers. Podcasting also presents a great opportunity for content creators. By creating your own podcast on topics you're passionate about, you can earn income through advertisements and sponsorships. To start podcasting, you can follow these steps. Topic selection. The first step is to choose a topic you're interested in and knowledgeable about. It's important to be passionate about the topic and able to create engaging content that resonates with your listeners. Content planning. Create a topic list to plan your podcast content. You can use different formats such as interviews, informative discussions, storytelling, or debates. Establish a publishing schedule to release your content regularly and consistently. Equipment and techniques. To ensure good sound quality, you may need to acquire podcasting equipment such as a microphone, headphones, and audio editing software. By learning recording and editing techniques, you can produce professional quality podcasts. Recording and editing. Use recording software to capture your podcast episodes. You can use audio editing software to edit your recordings, add intro and outro music, and make necessary corrections. Achieving clean, clear, and professional sound quality is essential. Publishing and distribution. Host and distribute your podcast episodes on a podcast publishing platform. Popular podcast platforms include Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and SoundCloud. Create an account on these platforms, upload your podcast episodes, and reach listeners worldwide. Marketing and promotion. Utilize various strategies to market and promote your podcast. Create social media accounts to promote your podcast episodes, share updates, and engage with your listeners. Additionally, guest appearances on other podcasts or hosting guests on your podcast can help promote your show and expand your listener base. Advertisement and sponsorship income. Once you grow your podcast and build an audience, you can explore opportunities for advertisement and sponsorship income. Brands may be interested in advertising their products or services through your podcast or offering sponsorship deals. This way, you can earn income through advertising revenue or sponsorship agreements. Sponsorship deals. As your podcast gains popularity, brands may approach you with sponsorship offers. Particularly if your podcast focuses on a specific niche, companies operating in that niche may want to collaborate with you. Sponsorship deals involve promoting brands on your podcast and receiving payment in return. Membership or support programs. You can offer membership or support programs to listeners who want to support your podcast. For example, using platforms like Patreon, you can create paid membership plans or donation options. Membership programs incentivize listeners by providing access to exclusive content, bonus episodes, or live streams. Invitations. As a speaker, with a successful podcast, you may receive invitations to speak at events or conferences related to the topics you cover. Speaking engagements allow you to earn income and increase the visibility of your podcast. Participating in such events enables you to connect with new listeners and expand the reach of your podcast. Product and service sales. You can utilize your podcast as an effective marketing tool and sell your own products or services. For instance, you can offer educational materials, digital downloads, online courses, or consulting services to your podcast listeners. This way, you can generate revenue through your podcast while strengthening your brand and expertise. Licensing and distribution deals. After creating and growing a successful podcast, you can earn income through licensing and distribution agreements. By licensing your podcast to other platforms or media companies, you can reach a wider audience and receive payment in return. Podcasting involves creating engaging and valuable content while maintaining a consistent publishing schedule. To grow your audience and generate income, it's important to continually improve your content, utilize marketing strategies, and engage with your listeners. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.